Hello world, my name is Ben. This is AnyLogic 101, a video series where I share quick tips and tricks about AnyLogic. And in one of my previous videos, somebody asked on YouTube, oh my god, you seem to be using Chrome while running your models. So I briefly want to show how you can do that and why I'm doing that. So normally when you have AnyLogic running and you click play on your model, it starts something else called the Chromium browser. And that's a separate program AnyLogic comes with, and it ensures everything is always running on any system at any time. However, I find it a little slow, especially the kind of 1 to 2 seconds it needs to start up every time. So when you stop the model, Chromium is closed, and then you try to start it again, and it just takes a wee bit of time. If you do a lot of modeling, you want to shave that off. So there's a very simple setting in your tools, preferences, then you go to the runtime tab and you can actually decide, do you want to use Chrome? Or you can even point to a custom browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer or Edge. You can go crazy. And I have Chrome open anytime anyway doing development. So for me, it's much quicker to just, to resize it now, but it opens much faster. So when I click play, Chrome is already open in the background anyway, so it doesn't need to fire up again. And the functionality is exactly the same. So you have the developer panel and all the nice stuff. And you can add more tabs, right? When you have your model open, you might have another tab with Gmail open or whatever, or even better, Stack Overflow, of course. So when you don't even need to close your tab. You just go back to AnyLogic, change something in the model, click play again, and it just opens as a new tab and you can start playing there. And it even closes the old tab automatically. So it's just a little bit time shaved off your daily schedule. So that was a really quick one. I hope that was useful and I see you soon. Thanks a lot.